What? Okay, man. Let's go.
Good afternoon, guys. We have arrived here at Letterkenny. It's another city here at part of Ireland. So we are staying here at the Radisson Blu. Wow! Wash over. Oh, ganda ng lighting dito. We are staying here at Radisson Blu Hotel, which is ang ganda, guys. It is one of the best hotel in here, I guess. I don't know if correct me if I'm wrong, but very satisfied naman kami sa room namin. Room tour tayo. So main door here, and the closet is in here, which is everyone's favorite. The human size mirror. Meron silang flat iron here. Flat iron at saka pang, yeah, flat. Yeah, table iron. And then, yeah, ito na yung mirror nila here. So, I'm just wearing this clothes again. This side, my extra pillows sila over here. This is our luggage. And next to the main door is the bathroom. Let's turn on the lights. Oh, linis in fairness. Bagong linis. So, mirror ulit. Yan. So, everything is complete naman. They have this amenities, free amenities. Meron silang 2 tissues in here. Phone. At itong salamin. Our room nila. It's like that. May bathtub pala sila dito. Towels over there. Yeah, everything is nice and clean. Let's move on to the bedroom. We have the lalagyan ng luggage. The TV is over there. They have this table, another mirror over here. So, yun na yung bed. Kita na siya. So, coffee maker and free coffee and teas. Oh, yeah, blower. Free safety bags. Yung main door, and then ito na yung bed. Parang king size to bed na to kasi sobrang laki, guys. See, 3 pillows around there. View namin, actually we are not facing in front. Oh, another table para here guys, but we are facing on their, I guess this is their gym, I guess. Gym yan, guys, eh. Gym siya. Nasa side kami, parking lot ata ito. And in fairness naman tong hotel na to, front downtown talaga siya, guys. So from the bus station, nilakad lang namin siya na mga 13 minutes. Tapos the hotel itself, in front siya ng shopping center nila, which is very convenient. So yeah, we're kind of tired, so I don't know if we were gonna have the mood to go out. So, we'll see na lang kasi time check, it is now 2:26 ng afternoon. I'm gonna rest, then I'm gonna unpack the clothes again here. So, dinner time na, guys. Hindi kami lumabas kasi I was a bit tired. It's lockdown. So, I had a nap and I woke up around 6 na siya. And so, we decided to just order food sa room. We didn't have a lunch. And breakfast namin was like sort of sandwich lang and coffee. When you're in Ireland, don't forget to try their seafood chowder. Super thumbs up, guys. Curry and rice. And my husband got that one. And then you have this craft beer. And also later, dessert. Lingkod lang ko dire. Tambay lang dire. Na lang. Wala niya akong view here. Window na agad. Naon. Sobrang hangin. It's going to rain. Siguro later. So, pauso nila yung ganito, guys. Trend. Yeah, trend. sa street nila. Yung pa-square. Cute though.
Hi guys.
We are now here at cinema guys at Letterkenny. So, kasi wala kaming magawa. We just strolled around downtown. Maliit lang siya. So, madali lang siyang maikot. So, decided to check the cinema. Which is, may nagustuhan naman akong showing which is The Predator. So, yan. Ang ganda ng cinema nila guys. Maliit lang siya pero super cozy. Malalaki yung upuan nila. Oh. Kami lang dito. May pa-popcorn kami dito. And water. Hey guys! We are now back here sa Dublin at from Letterkenny. Sorry, hindi ako nakapag-vlog masyado around the city of Letterkenny kasi maliit lang siya. And we did not roam around. We actually just walk in the downtown at saka yun lang. From Letterkenny, we travel 1 hour next to Donegal. We went back to Donegal City kasi yun yung second bus namin. And then after that, 3.5 hours to Dublin naman tayo. So we're here now. So we are checking in to our last hotel on the trip. Actually, ano na ngayon? 7 PM na. So yeah, 7 PM and room tour tayo guys. Very quick lang. So may idea kayo where you're gonna stay around if you're coming here to Dublin. So room tour tayo. Indoor in here. This is our bathroom in here. Yan, everything is white. Oh, marble siya. And then, let's move. Sobrang laki na ano nila guys. What do you call that? TV nila. Super, hindi ko alam kung anong interest yan. Bed itself. Ayan siya. Parang hindi ko queen size. Saka king size. Not sure about it. So, everything is white, white, white. Yung ano nila. The cabinet here. So, wala na naman silang water, guys. Hindi ko alam, hindi uso dito sa ano eh. Sa Ireland, magpa-free water. Mahal-mahal lang ano. So, they gave us we're on the 6th floor, guys. So, perfect yung view namin. Ito yung view namin sa window. We are facing around their river. Ano yung river ba to? River bank nila? Hindi ko alam. Basta yan. May paano sila doon, ano. We're actually in the downtown itself, guys. Yan, walkable siya dyan. Walkable. Tas, parang tour to siya. Tour boat, I guess. Yan. Malapit lang to siya sa ano eh. Parang in front din to siya ng, alam mo yung harp bridge nila, yung famous harp bridge nila. We're gonna go out to have dinner and then rest, and we have a flight back to Kiev tomorrow at around 11 AM. So we're gonna head to airport a bit early siya. So para makapag-check-in ng luggage. Oh, later guys. That's good.
You with that